navigating the complex world of international trade can be a daunting task for any business, especially for those new to importing from China. The opportunities are immense, but so are the potential risks. This is precisely where a professional sourcing agent becomes an invaluable asset. At Yansourcing, we specialize in simplifying this entire process for you. We act as your dedicated team on the ground, handling everything from identifying reliable suppliers to overseeing production, conducting stringent quality inspections, and managing the final shipment of your goods. One of the most critical services we facilitate is the factory audit. This vital step is often overlooked by new importers, yet it is the single most effective way to verify a potential supplier's legitimacy and capabilities. A factory audit provides a detailed snapshot of the manufacturer's operations, from their production lines and quality control systems to their company documentation and business licenses. A factory audit, in its simplest terms, is a systematic on-site evaluation of a potential or existing supplier conducted by a trained auditor who travels to the factory to verify its claims and assess its capabilities. The auditor examines the factory's production capacity, quality management systems, machinery and equipment, and internal processes. They also verify essential legal documents, such as business licenses and export certificates, to confirm the factory is a legitimate and legally compliant entity. The primary goal is to provide you with an objective and detailed picture of who you are about to do business with. Many businesses that appear professional online may, in reality, be small trading companies with no manufacturing capabilities of their own. They might even be outright scams. An audit helps you differentiate between a genuine manufacturer and a middleman, or worse, a fraudulent operation. Beyond verifying legitimacy, a factory audit is a critical tool for risk management. During the audit, the inspector will check for the existence and implementation of a quality management system, such as ISO 9001. It can also include a social compliance component, checking for things like fair labor practices, workplace safety, and environmental responsibility. For brands that value ethical sourcing, this is a non-negotiable step to ensure your supply chain aligns with your company's values. Once you understand the necessity of a factory audit, the next logical step is to find a competent professional to conduct it. For most international importers, hiring a third-party inspection company or a sourcing agent with auditing capabilities, like Yansourcing, is the most practical and effective approach. These third-party entities offer an unbiased perspective, which is crucial for an objective assessment. Their sole responsibility is to you, the importer, providing a clear and honest evaluation of the factory's condition and capabilities. When searching for an inspection agent, it is vital to perform your own due diligence. Start by looking for companies with a strong track record and a professional online presence. Look for testimonials or case studies from other importers in your industry. At Yansourcing, for instance, our specialists possess deep industry-specific knowledge, ensuring they know exactly what to look for when auditing a factory that produces electronics, textiles, or any other type of product. This expertise is critical for a meaningful and relevant audit. Finally, communication and reporting are key differentiators. Before committing, ask for a sample audit report. The report should be easy to understand, written in clear English, and supported by photographic evidence. Choosing an agent who communicates effectively will make the entire process smoother and ensure you get the answers you need to make a confident decision about your supplier. A successful factory audit begins long before the auditor sets foot in the factory. The pre-audit phase is dedicated to careful planning and clear communication. The first step is to clearly define the scope and goals of your audit. Are you primarily concerned with verifying the supplier's basic legitimacy? Or do you need a deep dive into their quality management systems? Clearly communicating these priorities to your chosen inspection agent allows them to tailor the audit checklist to your specific needs. Once the scope is defined, the next step is to coordinate the audit with both the inspection agent and the factory. It is important to provide the factory with reasonable advance notice. A planned audit fosters cooperation and ensures the auditor has access to everything they need. A crucial part of the pre-audit preparation is creating a detailed audit checklist that should be customized to address your unique concerns, ensuring that no critical area is overlooked. On the scheduled day, the auditor arrives at the factory to begin the on-site evaluation. The visit typically starts with an opening meeting with the factory's management, where the auditor explains the purpose and scope of the audit. The auditor will then request to see the factory's official documentation, including their business license, export licenses, and any quality system certifications to check their validity. Following the document review, the auditor embarks on a comprehensive tour of the factory premises. This is a methodical walkthrough of every key area, observing the entire manufacturing process from start to finish. A significant portion of the on-site audit is dedicated to evaluating the factory's quality management system. The auditor interviews quality control staff, inspects testing equipment, and reviews records to determine if the factory has a robust system for identifying and correcting defects. The auditor takes extensive notes and photographs throughout this process to document their findings. The on-site visit concludes with a closing meeting where the auditor provides a brief summary of initial findings. After leaving the factory, the auditor compiles all their notes, photos, and verified documents into the detailed, formal audit report, which is then sent to you for review and decision-making. Receiving the factory audit report is the moment of truth. This comprehensive document serves as your primary tool for evaluating the supplier. As you read through the report, pay close attention to the evidence provided: photographs, document copies, and specific factual observations. Interpreting the findings requires weighing them against your risk tolerance and business requirements. Your decision could mean approving the factory, rejecting due to critical risks, or conditionally approving contingent on implementing corrective actions. This report is not just a pass or fail test, it is a roadmap that empowers you to negotiate better terms, demand improvements, and ultimately build a more secure and reliable partnership with your chosen supplier. Mastering the factory audit process is a fundamental skill for any serious importer. At Yansourcing, we pride ourselves on being more than just a sourcing agent. We are your strategic partner in China. We handle the complexities of scheduling, on-site inspection, and detailed reporting, so you can focus on what you do best: growing your brand and satisfying your customers. Whether you need assistance with a one-time factory audit or are looking for a comprehensive sourcing solution, our team is here to help. Do you have any questions about the import process? Visit our website yansourcing.com, or send us an email at info@yansourcing.com. I'd love to help.